Hi guys, thanks for having us. It's great to see you. My name's Hetty and this is Paula. This session is going to be about sugar and how our body deals with it.
Hold on a minute. Do you mean glucose, fructose, sucrose, lactose?
All right, clever clogs. Whatever you want to call it, it's all the same once it's in your body, and it's your body that has to deal with it. And you're right, there are many different types of sugar, but some of it is surrounded by nutrients, like fructose, which comes from fruit. We know that fruit is really great for us and it helps to keep us healthy. It's packed with those super vitamins and minerals. Remember all those goodies? But the same with all foods, if we eat too much of it, we'll be having too much sugar.
Okay, so I've heard the saying, everything in moderation before. Is that what you mean?
Exactly. That takes us back to the main idea of a balanced diet, which means we need lots of different foods from each food group without eating too much of one thing. So let's take a closer look at sugar and what it does in our bodies. Sugar is in loads of foods, like honey and fruit juice as well. But Paula, how do you usually feel after eating, for example, a bag of sweets or drinking a cola?
Well, I get quite a boost. It makes you feel really energised. But then I get quite tired and lose concentration after that. Why is that?
Well, you probably aren't the only one. So sugar is a really quick source of energy for our bodies. We can digest it really fast, which means we get the energy really quickly. And that's the boost that you mentioned. Sadly, because we use it so quickly, all that bouncy energy is gone. And that's why you might feel tired and grouchy not very long afterwards.
Oh, I see. So how can I feel energised for longer then? I don't want to keep eating more sugar. I know that too much isn't good for me because then it won't be a balanced diet.
You're right. And another great source of energy comes from starch.
That's the food group with potatoes, pasta, rice, bread, isn't it?
Exactly. Starchy foods give us energy which lasts longer, so the energy is used over a few hours rather than all at once.
So getting plenty of starch through the day will make sure my energy doesn't slump like it does when I have lots of sugar.
Exactly. You'll be able to concentrate more too.
That's great, just what I need.
And remember, our balanced diet contains plenty of foods from the other groups as well. So make sure you're getting the goodies from protein, dairy foods and veggies with that starch.
Wow, that's good to know. After all that, I think it's time we play a game. This is called Drink versus Donuts. We want you to imagine a nice sweet donut. Think about how much sugar is in that donut to make it so deliciously sweet. Now you should have a copy of these cards, either printed or on the screen. Each card has a picture of a drink on it, and your task is to guess how much sugar is in each one in the number of donuts. We'll start you off. Hetty, how many donuts worth of sugar do you think is in a bottle of Orangeade?
Ooh, I'd have to guess one. Surely it can't be sweeter than my favourite jam donut.
Well, your answer, it's 2.
Really? I'm quite shocked, and I'd better not drink too many of those.
Okay, it's time to pause now so that you can play the game and see how you get on. Have some fun. Welcome back everyone. We hope you've enjoyed that one and learnt something about your favourite drinks. What did you find most surprising?
Well, for me, it was definitely the orange juice. I had no idea there was that much sugar in fruit juice.
It's really easy to eat and drink too much sugar without even knowing it, which is why it's so important to understand what's put into your food and drink. Focusing on the balanced diet with plenty of goodies from different food groups is the key to being the superstars that you are.
Thanks so much for joining us for this one. We really hope you've enjoyed it and that you've learned something today. Remember, stay amazing and think healthily. Bye.
Bye.